you come across tamba, also known as finger millet, before? It's a healthy gluten-free grain that's common in northern Nigeria. It's very easy to prepare and is actually packed with lots of health benefits that will blow your mind. So without waste of time, let me show you how to make it. So this is half cup of finger millet flour, also known as tamba. It's actually made by blending finger millet with spices like ginger, cloves, just to boost the flavor. So for half cup of finger millet flour, I'll be adding half cup of room temperature water to it, then mix, just the normal way you actually make pap. And this recipe is actually very easy and you can easily double it. So this is the consistency of mine, it's actually not too runny. So next I'll transfer 1 cup of water into my pan and allow it to get to a rolling boil. Okay, it's boiling already. I'll just go ahead and transfer the finger millets that I mixed earlier on, then stir continually just so it doesn't form a loop. One thing you need to know about tamba is that it consumes lots of water and it doesn't take too long to get ready. So I'll be transferring 1 more cup of water to it and continue to stir. This meal is actually very healthy as it's rich in fiber for good digestion. It has a very low glycemic index, which makes it very good for diabetic patients. It's good for lactating mothers as it helps in milk production, and it also helps to boost the overall immunity of the body and lots more. So I'll be adding little sugar to it at this moment just to sweeten things up, but you can choose to use honey as well. So after about 3 minutes, our Kunun Tamba is pretty much ready. So this is the consistency of mine. If you want yours to be more runny, you can add little more water to it. So I'll just go ahead and take mine off from the heat and serve, because tamba is best served hot, and as it cools down it also thickens up as well. I also add evaporated milk to it for that rich creamy taste, then mix everything together. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this meal. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.